This is my BMW E30 with an M52 B28 in it, and we're going to go for a little drive. So I got a 3.38 diff in this. It's kind of a good mix, I think, of sort of not being too short, but still having the peppiness that you kind of need out of these 6 pots. And yeah, I think it works really well. I think it's good. It's not the best on motorways, but that's not what the car's for. Which is a little bit drony, but it's you can live with it. I think there might be an Audi up ahead with his hazards on, doing about 10 miles an hour. So I think he chose the wrong brand. Don't know what you guys think, but I'd say he should have gone Beamer. Yeah, it's a rear tyre. Oh, that's a brilliant place to stop. So that was a little one-wheel peel for you. I thought I had to enjoy a bit of it while I could. But yeah, I think the next major upgrade for this car is an LSD. There's quite a lot of options you can go for. There's a lot of ratios, but I'd like to stick with sort of similar to this, the 338. I think it's a real sweet spot for it. Something like that. So yeah, that was the E30. I'd definitely recommend it if you can if you can afford one and you can sort of build one, I'd definitely go about doing it because it's a brilliant car. The M52, it really does suit this car a lot. I think those single cam engines are not my kind of thing. I think a lot of you will agree. Would like to do a few more videos, I think, things like this. Yeah, I think that's what it's all about, just everyone enjoying each other's stuff. So yeah, bye.
That's all, folks.